Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pida ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate shillong.
Haka kanya trek matobna Jong araja arpo, Menteri Rangba kani kejala Meghalaya, ulakan thok jorru halor ka jing Pynsaphriang kubor, yaki Kyrteng nyuki breu, ki balarong lami Bethany Hospital Shillong, ngadu ka arpo artrek ubna leber, menta usnam araja arpo sheneng. Conrad kongkal Sangma ulakan tu yaki paiba bakem dai ban Pynsaphriang, yakum gini ki kubor, nemar ladalap baki penkhen yakani ka an, kila bengat haka an. Marka sarkar menta keladap ujoru daka ijahar yaki tu ki balek persya yakani ke jing perkheng haki khendiat sngi berala.
I would like to just bring in a very important point which really is connected to all of the citizens of the state, which really is regarding the usage of social media. And friends, at this point in time, I would like to stress that a lot of news and a lot of information is flowing in social media. And I think we really need to act responsibly in these kind of situations. I was very, very upset and sad to see that in certain groups and certain individuals were giving out lists of patients who had visited Bethany Hospital. And I think this goes completely against the privacy of these patients, and it is very, very incorrect for anybody to do that. We have filed an FIR in this case, and action will be taken against those people who have leaked this information, and people who are responsible for this. But I would like to appeal to the people of our state that if we also want to be responsible in our way, then please don't encourage the reposting and forwarding of these kind of messages. I would urge everyone, when you receive this kind of information, we should act responsibly, and we should simply delete those messages and ask those people who are forwarding such kind of information to refrain from giving out that information. And I think this is very, very important, and if you're all very responsible in it, I'm sure that we'll be able to stop this kind of information leaking out to the public.